Okay, folks, Bob here. I just had lunch, and man, I'm gonna tell you what, those had to be the sorriest fries. If they're not the sorriest fries I've ever had in my life, they're the sorriest ones I've had in decades. Lord have mercy, they were greasy and soggy and stuck together and all kind of neat stuff. But enough about me and my bad lunch. Let's look at this 65 Dodge. Now this Dodge, or 65, this is a Poly, 318 Poly, not to be confused with the later LA, the small block version. When I was in high school, 17 years old, I wanted one of these cars so bad. I mean, this was the car for me. And even back then I had junkyard connections. I had quite a few as a 17-year-old kid. And there was none in none of the junkyards. I mean, not even four doors. There was nothing. And so what I ended up doing, go ahead, I'm sorry. You're fine, you're fine. Ended up not getting one. What I ended up doing was not getting one, right? But I've always wanted one, and I like this color. It really is cool. I really do like these cars, I really do. It's a 500 model.
It's like that. Well, I just sit
Hey, Bubby. I just work here, right?
You know, I guess it's kind of like the pretty girl in high school you never got. I always wanted one of these and never got the prettiest girl in school. Tried to get her too. She leave me alone, fool. Oh man, I love these things. I still love these things after all these years. All right, let's check out the 442 Oldsmobile over here. I always kind of like these too. I got a little story about one of these I can tell you one day. Poor car. Dog gonna take a leak. A nicely styled car also. It's hard not to like these. It really is. Got all kind of neat stuff back in this one. Just the natural flow of the fenders and the graceful, kind of had that GTO looking roof on it. It's just a really nice car. I really like it. See how the roof is, kind of like the Chevelles and stuff. And some people refer to those as tunnel backs, which I think is more of a Mopar term for the Chargers. Now 3 pedals in there, folks. What do you think about that? Got a louvered hood. That is, I really like this. I'll tell you, between the two of them, I'd take the Dodge, but I'm gonna tell you what, I wouldn't be ashamed to have those. I really wouldn't. I like this. And over here we got a probably a 64, 63 maybe. This is an Impala. What do we got here? 63. And it says it's an SS, and it's in Youngsville. That's my town. I've never seen this car, guys. Big metropolis of Youngsville, and I have not seen this car before. That's amazing. Oh, this is nicely done. There again, look at this trim. Now, this trim here is not as nice as that other one. It's got a little work yet to be done, but God, they made some beautiful automobiles back in the day. I had a guy tell me one time that the early 60s cars were ugly. They were devoid of anything pretty, and I said, man, you are just nuts. You need to get out more. There was some cool stuff made in the early 60s. I guess he was comparing everything to a 57 Chevy, which was just chrome galore. Yeah, he said they were bland cars. This ain't bland. I don't know what's wrong with that guy. Tell you what, this body looks pretty straight. It's a well done car here. You got an automatic in this one. That's the neatest looking little shifter though. I don't believe I've ever seen one of those. Nice looking. I think he was over there. They got some parking lot cones set up. I think he was over there playing with that. All right, let's do the shoebox cars here. We got a Ford and a Chevy. Looks like the Mopar didn't make it. So we got a Ford and a Chevy here. '55 Fairlane. This is an interesting color. It's kind of a dark blue and I guess you'd call that maybe a light blue with a little bit of a green in it. It says it's a club sedan.
I've seen the movie though, so
Check out the chrome here, folks. Look at how it V's here, and then it goes up and it turns into a spear. Ain't that cool how they do that? Get you back here a little bit. That'll be the cleanest looking parking lots you're going to find on the whole Ford. Them things look like they're brand new. Man, that is nice. Yeah, somebody's bought those aftermarket, I'm sure, or found some NOS ones won. Check out the instrument cluster. Cool looking dashboard there. Let's get the old Chevrolet here next. This one here's got a little bit of a hot rod going on. Black and silver. And we got 3 pedals and a stick in this one, folks. Look at the detailing on these panels. Isn't it something? See what I'm talking about? The stitching. Look at the detailing on that dash. Look at that chrome right there. Man, look at that. Unreal. So she's hitting a little lean, low and mean to me. Oh, we got us an LS swap. Where's the carburetor?
no, man, no, I'm just joking.
Man, let's get back around here to the other side. I spotted a Plymouth Fury way across the other side over there. I'm gonna head that way next. Take care of my Plymouth Fury fans. I got quite a few Plymouth Fury customers, and I appreciate you guys too. So we're gonna take care of it. I'm gonna go there and shoot that car. All right, folks. I'm gonna walk way the heck over there. Check out the Scout. Oh, I gotta do the Scout. I'll get the Fury in just a second, folks. Let me do this Scout. I like this. Holy cow. You just don't see stuff like this anymore. That is sharp. I drive that all day long. I drive it 8 days a week. West Virginia tags on it, folks. It's like he's got 20-inch wheels on it, Foose wheels. Look at that. This is unreal.
Yeah, that's why I was singing steady, but it's not.
Diamond plate. Oh Lord, look here. That is so cool. Look at this, folks. Look at the little lower dash thing. I guess you call that a shelf. I guess the window folds down. The window folds down. And it's a big crowd gathered around this car. See, I ain't the only one that's got good taste. Okay, look at there, folks. Wish the hood was popped up on it. You may be able to tell right here. 350 Chevy 63 International Scout. Carmen Gia right here. Oh yeah. I'd rock this all day long. You couldn't carjack me. Oh, you wouldn't be big and bad enough to carjack me on this thing. I'd run over you. Take a quick look at the Carmen Gia, and we're gonna. Who doesn't like Carmen Gias, right? Got the bullet nose on the front, fins on the back. I'm gonna head over here and get this Fury for you guys because I got a bunch of Fury customers. All right, folks, I'll cut you off just for a second. Okay, folks, there it is, the Plymouth Fury. This is a 68, excuse me, 68. I'm sorry, I should know that. And I'm gonna tell you what, he didn't get that grill for me. None of my grills are that nice. Or my headlight bezels.
If it's not too much, I don't have stuff.
Let's see here. Let's look at that. She looks like she's plum crazy purple. Yeah, 68 Fury 367 27.
Hers. You see that?
I cannot make out that city. I think it says Lexington. I believe it's Lexington, North Carolina. Oh man, look at this. Look at the dash in this car. Holy cow. Now that right there is about as good as it gets. Holy damn cow. I cannot get over that. If anybody needs it, I got this piece of trim. I took it off for a guy and he never paid on this body style, the hard top body style, 68, 67, 68 I believe. Fury only. Won't fit the Dodge. I got one in good shape. Needs to be polished. It's not bent or anything like that. I'd love to sell it to somebody, but I went and took it off. These taillights are very hard to get. I've actually sold cracked taillights and got good money for them. These taillights are really hard to come by. And this trim panel on the piece back is kind of hard to come by too. I've sold quite a few of those. I'll tell you what. This is nice. This is nice. I cannot get over that dash. This rivals that dash in that Duster that guy had, Mike. He had a beautiful Duster he'd customized, and man, Mike, I know your dash is beautiful, but this one's right there with you, buddy. Holy cow, I love it. I'm all looking for that. These windshields are getting a little hard to find. I've sold a few of them.
It's just like it. No, that's not a 360.
Two-door windshields, I should say. Two-door hardtop. All right, folks, let's get this Fairlane while we're right here. 1957 Custom 300. And I think they're over there. We're not too far from the parking lot cone thing. Here we go. Look at that trim. I like this stuff. Yeah, we'll head over there and check out the blueprint engines. Yeah, we'll walk over there and watch some of that. Okay, I can't get so far back because I'm up against this Fury here, folks. But I'm probably 4 foot away, so I can't get no further back. Custom 300, 57. News to me. It's hard not to like the lines of these cars. These are really nicely styled cars. And unless you're a hater. And if you're a hater, you're not gonna like nothing. I'm sorry. You're good. No, you're good. I walked in front of you. I'm sorry. All right, folks. There you go. Let me walk over here and see what's happening. We got a whole bunch of Tri-5s right here. Good Lord, do we ever. This one here's caught my eye. This is the prettiest one of the bunch, in my opinion.
A lot of money.
Holy cow. Nomad. You can't argue with this. The brown and the blue, that really works. Man, look at this dash.
You got air suspension? Oh, really?
That is cool. Oh, check out the valve covers are painted brown. 56 Nomad. This is a nice looking car. Built in Hickory, North Carolina. Rutter's Rod Shop. Well, sir, you did a fine job. You did a fine job. don't hear anything going on over there. I think they quit right now. Are they? Okay, thank you. Well, in that case, I guess we won't head that way then. So let's walk back over here. Well, it continues, folks. The cool cars just are everywhere. I mean, they're literally everywhere. They're like kittens. They're just coming in kittens and rabbits. Just before you look, man. This right here is beautiful. I applaud people that do these crazy colors, as long as they ain't too crazy. 54 Buick. Buick Special. And you cannot help but like that dash. Oh my God. Alan Shaw, this is you right here, buddy. You're a Buick man. You like these old Buicks. This is gorgeous. Man, I'd love to have this. Came out of Virginia. I'm paying back. I know I couldn't get so close. The Big Bopper. I think the music guy, the Big Bopper, I think the anniversary of his passing in the plane crash was yesterday, I believe. You good, you good. You're fine. I do believe I saw that on the news. Could be wrong. Yeah, man, look at that. Portholes and all. Krager SS's. I saw Smitty and Sons Truck and Tractor Sales and Service.
Have you ever seen the movie Jeepers Creepers?
We're driving this from the center. Check out that big aluminum bumper. This car here is out of, or this truck I should say, is out of Durham, North Carolina. Not too far, just up the road a little ways. This is cool. This really is cool. I've never seen the center. I've not seen that. That's I like it. I do. Got a pair of turbos back here on this Ford Cobra powered Ford valve covers. Yeah, this thing here is a blast to drive. Got a little hook. Try to pan back and get you a good look at this, folks. A roll bar and all. Says it's intercooled too, folks. Guess you'd call this a mid-engine. Look at these tires. They're bagged. That is nice. I like this. The exhaust manifolds are plumbed in through the turbos and then go in here. Oh, look at this. That's his air conditioning system there, folks. Oh, I love it. All right, I spotted something over here, folks. Let me look at these cars over here, guys. Yeah, right here. Check this machine out. I don't know what it is. Model A, Model T. No, it's a Model A, I think. Yahoo!
Some people keep up with cars. Like cars get passed down through generations.
As you can tell, it's hinged like a cooker. I'm kind of tucked in here, folks, so I can't get back so far.
Did you tell them what my twins
I do believe that's a small block Chevy.
And I
Fabricated valve covers.
And she's the evil twin.
Pat's blue ribbon. Okay, it's a Model T, 1925.
Say nothing. I didn't hear nothing.
We deliver. One if he delivers blue ribbon beer. 327, 350.
That one down there goes.
What was that? I can't draw a blank. That stick. We used to have a name for that. They had gone and drawn a blank. You'll see a lot of automatics too. The wood dash. Let me see if I can get through here. Get you a big, long, wide shot. Jenny stick. Was it Jenny stick? Is that what I'm thinking of? Folks, I'm getting old. I can't remember stuff that's been, we haven't seen those in so long. And all right, I spotted a Pontiac over here, and he's gone. Ah, shoot. I wanted the video there. I had a story to go with it, and he's gone. All right, let me see what else I can find for you.